Kayla, what are you playing? Angry Birds?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you know how to play? What is that?
Me.
Oh, that's you? But what are you playing?
Angry Birds.
Angry Birds. Oh.
Angry Birds.
Wow. You're good.
I got it.
You got it? Are you holding iPod or iPad?
iPad.
iPad, okay.
No.
Where's your iPod?
I put the charge.
Oh, it's charging?
Yeah, charging.
Where's Daddy's iPhone?
I found the charge too.
Oh, it's charging too?
Yeah.
So he let you use the iPad?
Yeah.
You know how to play Angry Birds. Wow. And this is how a 2-year-old play Angry Birds on an iPad. This is just crazy. When I was 2 years old, I was playing with dolls. Maybe Hot Wheels.
I did it.
You did it? Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
I love my iPhones.